sign language, beginner phrases, and numbers.
Yeah. So I think what we'll do today is I will say, hi, my name. And what do you do?
So hi, my name.
Yep.
So
I guess let's make sure they can see.
So hi, my name.
Tap twice.
That's what I did.
Oh, you did? I missed it.
I think so. V-L-A-D.
Okay, don't forget, don't knock.
I wasn't. I was wiping the window this time. I was cleaning. I was cleaning your screen.
Okay, so the next thing I would probably say to learn is that when you want to know if someone is hard of hearing or deaf, and then letting them know if you speak a little bit of sign language.
That's very good. Yeah.
Okay, so the sign for signing is backward motion, 2 pointer fingers, backward motion. Just like once or twice. No, I think. I guess twice, once. 1.5. So it'd be I, no, so no, little, sign.
Wasn't this you?
So G is forward though.
Oh, okay.
And Q is down.
Okay. So I know little sign.
Yep.
Okay.
And then if you don't know, so you would throw your knowledge. I don't know. Yeah, and you have to kind of like confuse face.
Yeah, I remember emotion. Show emotion on the face. Okay.
If you want to use don't in a phrase, so like I don't, it'd be the A and a swipe from the chin.
I don't.
Yeah, so I don't know.
Or so why isn't it I don't know?
You could use either one.
But then you would confuse them because they were like, then you just told me you don't know in sign language.
Exactly. So anytime you want to use the word don't, I guess this is don't. So if you're asking someone that they're deaf, so the sign for deaf is a pointer finger, ear to mouth. Yep, ear to mouth. And then hard of hearing, you make the letter H, and it's just a hump. Hard of hearing, yep, left to
like
right.
a small hill.
Yeah, left to right, hard of hearing. And then
so that's hard of hearing.
Yeah.
And this
so
is
someone
deaf.
who's not particularly deaf.
So this is deaf and this is hard of hearing.
Yep. And if you're hearing, so you
can
don't
hear.
wear, it's a pointer finger rolling off the bottom lip.
Just once?
No, twice.
Okay.
Yeah.
So let me remember. So this is hard of hearing.
Mm-hmm.
This is deaf. And this is hearing?
Sideways.
Hearing.
Yes. So now the centric structure is different in sign language as well. So for example, if you were asking someone if they're deaf, you would point to them, sign it, deaf, and then point to them again.
So, I mean that's natural if you think about it.
Slow down a little bit because you're like flying. So it's very slow, not slow, but smooth. And it's not to the tongue first, it's the ear first.
So it's...
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then if you want to ask someone how to sign something, you would use how, and the way I do it is like this. So two palms. How to sign. Did we teach that one yet?
Yes.
In this video.
I don't think so. I don't remember.
So if you want to sign, the word sign, like referring to sign language, is 2 pointer fingers and backward motion.
So
don't flip your wrist though. Keep your wrist straight. Yep. And then point to it.
So it will be like...
Yep, basically. And then if some words don't have actual picture signs, and you would have to spell them.
Yeah.
And the sign for fingerspell, which is, say like saying your name is fingerspelling, is like this.
I like this.
So like, how do you fingerspell the camera?
Okay, so it's be like how fingerspell. Got it.
Yeah.
So, okay. Yeah, got it.
So kind of like when you learn the first phrases when you learn a new language, like toilet, or like, how do you say this in this language? You know how to say that. Like, how do you find blank?
Yeah, I get it.
You know what I mean?
So how?
How. Yep.
And then
Hard of hearing.
yeah. So this was the. Yeah. Okay.
And then
I can hear.
hearing. Yeah.
Okay, great. I want to know numbers. Yeah.
Okay.
Like that's how you do it, I guess. When I'm like
you learn
speaking
stuff.
wise, yeah.
Okay, so this is 1,
Okay.
2.
Isn't it this? Wasn't this D?
But you see, this is D when you open your hand.
Oh,
you have to be
okay.
very careful.
Yeah.
So 1,
1.
2, 3. Do you know why this is not 3?
Because this is W.
Yep.
This is W. Yes.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, so let's go recap with me. So 1,
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Nope.
3. That was W. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 5.
Yep.
6.
No, 6.
Oh, 6. 6, okay. 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah.
And you're moving the 10. Okay. What about 75?
So you would actually just do 7, 5. So it'd be
So last time I did
7.
7. Let me see. 7, 5. What about 143?
So 100 is a different number, which I can't remember right now. But we'll get to that. Because numbers are really confusing after 10.
Really? Okay.
Yep.
What about 1,000?
Like, I'm pretty sure this is 22 or something. But I'll get to that.
Interesting.
I gotta review myself.
Okay, so that's for a future lesson. That's good
Very
to know.
confusing after 10.
So this is sign language, yeah?
Signing.
Signing. Okay, so signing without moving the wrists.
I would say keep your elbows tucked in as well. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. No.
How? This is yes. This is no.
Yep.
Why?
I gotta think about it. Cause sometimes you can phrase like
Yeah.
what, why. I know what is this when you're
What?
asking a question.
What?
Like what time?
What time?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is time. Time. Okay, so what? How? Yes. No.
No. Don't know.
No.
Don't know.
Don't know. What about don't?
Don't.
Oh yeah, don't. Yeah, you told me that.
And so
Do? Like, do you?
we'll save that different because a lot of in sign language you don't use like prepositional words
Okay.
like is and like kind of those
Yeah, I understand.
words. So that would be something else probably. I'm trying to think. If you want to tell someone please.
So you
Yeah.
move.
And it's a lean forward, please. And then sorry, you make a fist. Sorry. And then like.
So it'd be like yes.
Yes, please. Yeah.
No, like yes, I'm sorry.
Yeah. Depending, however you would need to say sorry.
I don't know. I'm just trying to think of context of tying things together.
Like is these two fingers together. You're pulling off your sternum.
So it's like a 9.
Kind of. 9 would be here. You're pulling here.
Yeah, a 9 here.
Like.
Like.
So like I like coffee.
What about dislike?
Don't like.
What about love? Did we teach love last time? I think we did. Yeah.
Love.
What about hate?
I don't know.
You shouldn't hate. That's the moral of this
shouldn't
video.
hate.
You shouldn't hate.
Before.
Everyone in the comments, you can give us a list of words to learn or sentences to learn for next time. And next time we're gonna be prepared and learn them. Yeah, that's a good idea. Perfect. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Probably fingerspell that one. SUBSCRIBE.
Did you just say SUSB?
SUB.
Subscribe?
SUBSCRIDE.
There's no D in subscribe.
Subscribe. B. Dang it. See, it's confusing when you start spelling.
Thanks for watching. See you next time, whatever you're doing. Stay hydrated.
Bye.